Wetin don happen to our compassion as a people? Peter Obi. Welcome to Synoc Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification button. E go give you alert of our updates. Make you like, comment, and share our videos. Country people, Peter Obi don talk concerning the recent visit of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to Benue State to condole with the government and the people of the state over the recent killings of over 200 innocent Nigerians. According to Peter Obi, he said, "We plead make the president show leadership and visit Benue and Niger states in the spirit of deep national mourning. Make he offer compassion and solidarity to families when they dey torn apart by the senseless massacre of over 200 innocent Nigerians for Benue State and the flood when e don kpai similar number of people for Niger State." He said, but wetin we see for Benue visit, say instead of a solemn, reflective visit, he said na one display when e dey more befitting for the commissioning of reconstructed Enugu-Makurdi highway, one critical road when e connect south and northern Nigeria when e don dey impassable for years. He said the president arrived not in a mourning cloth, but na agbada attire when e look like they wan celebrate an occasion for joy. He said wetin dey more heartbreaking na the role of the state. He said rather than to dey for mourning mood and to dey weep, dem declare public holiday not be for reflection or prayer, but to organize fanfare. He said they close down schools. Children, when e suppose to dey mourn their slaughtered classmates and parents, they line them up under the rain. They rehearse to sing and dance for the president. He said, which kind of country this type of things dey happen? He said, tragically, Nigerians don arrive at a point where condolence visits don become carnivals. For a time when they're supposed to dey marked by silence and solemnity, he say e don dey polluted by banners, music, and rehearsed spectacles. He say precious Nigerian lives don lost, yet we dey clap, dey sing, and dey organize processions as if we dey for campaign rally. He say not be so dey dey show compassion by any nation. He say the energy, resources, and logistics when they pour into wetin they do so, they for spend am for food supplies, temporary shelters, medical aid, school support, and trauma counseling for families wey dey grieve. Instead, we choose optics over empathy. He say for other places, when President Ramaphosa he visit Mumfata after the floods for South Africa, he say drums no dey there, no stage crowd, dem no rent people make dem come dey cheer. He say na just presence, silence, and action. Peter Obi say when Prime Minister Modi go visit one site where plane crash, he say nobody line up to welcome am. He say he go there, he mourn with them, and he take action. He say that na wetin leadership dey look like in moments of pain. He say we must ask ourselves which kind of people we don become. enough of this culture of impunity. He say we not dey at war yet, but our nation dey bleed and we dey clap. He say e not dey only insensitive, e dey dangerous. Obi come say make we not forget. He say these people, when they kpai so, they be human beings, they be children, mothers, fathers, whose blood they cry out for justice. He say when very sad incident like this don't turn to campaign or festival for Nigeria, our nation they lose a soul. He can't end am to say a new Nigeria is possible. He can't sign am off with a initials TO. Country people, this na Peter Obi, response to the visit of President Bola Tinubu to Benue State yesterday. Una go recall, say e get tori when he enter. Say Benue State government can't declare holiday for the president visit. And also one of in aid, he can't dey in charge of groups that people will come out in their colorful attires and all whatnot. Now this thing so, when he play out, now they prompt Peter Obi response. More so as one heavy rain fall yesterday and report enter say school children, even though na holiday, they wear school uniform to line up for the road and for the rain to receive Mr. President. In dey make am clear say not be so a state when e dey mourn or a country when e dey mourn dey take the mourn. Rather, it can be like a presidential visit, when they will celebrate. Although President Tinubu talk am for his address, say the circumstances when he take come, not be he intend say for take come, but he don't come, he don't come. Wetin Mr. Peter Obi dey talk, una see am. If possible, say some go say na politics in the play. After all, for a young place where they dey kpai people, ceaselessly from time to time by the IPOB and other groups, they say Wetin im don talk openly about those things. But some others too, they go dey of the opinion, say the way Benue celebrate the president visit, it truly detract from the fact say na condolence visit na e come pay, not be celebratory visit na im come. Which lessons dey for us to learn from wetin Peter Obi talk? Una share.